everyone, welcome to our snazzy life. So I'm in a little bit of a different location today. I am down at Avila Beach in SoCal. So I decided I was gonna pair up two of my favorite things, the beach and pin opening. I have 8 boxes from Hot Topic and Box Lunch, and I'm gonna get started opening them. So the first one I'm going to open is the Pixar, and out of this one, I definitely want Sully. So we'll see what I get. It is really warm here today, but it is not too bad. I don't think it's too bad because there's an awesome breeze. So, all right, first pin is Rex. Ooh, they're like textured. They're like not fluffy, like textured. So we got a Rex, and then I have one more of those. And let's see what this one is. It is, it's Lotso. Okay. The next one I'm going to open is a Spiderman. Maybe I'd want this top one just because of the colors. I don't know. This was one that James picked out. All right, this one is... Oh! That's the one I said! It looks a little bit different. It looks more neon green on the box, but that one's cute. All right, the next one is another one that James picked, and it is hens, maybe? I don't know what they're... Let's see. All right. We got Mickey. Oh, that's a cute one. He has like a little dangly thing. Oh, and the dangler, I don't know if I'll be able to get it. It's his hand. So that one's cute. All right, we have 4 more. The next one, okay, all the rest of them are Winnie the Pooh. And so we are hoping for Eeyore in these packs. The first one, it looks like they're on pink and purple and white flowers. So we are hoping for Eeyore in these packs. All right. First one is... I don't know which way they go. It is Piglet. Okay, and he's really cute. All right. The next one of that pack. Eeyore! James! I got an Eeyore for him. He'll be so excited. Yeah, he's on flowers. All right, and then the last one, I think this one's the prettiest. This one's another Winnie the Pooh, but it looks more like sketch drawn instead of like the actual like characters. All right, so once again, we're hoping for Eeyore. First one. It is Rabbit. And then our last pin, once again, hoping for that Eeyore. Eeyore is pulling a rubber ducky on like a little wooden ducky or something, and it's really cute too. All right, last pin. It's another Eeyore. Look how cute that is. Okay, that's really cute. So I'll put them on the board and then I'll show you everything that we got. All right, here's what we ended up with. We got both of the Eeyores that he wanted. Rex and Lotso. And then we got Mickey and Spider-Man. Thank you for watching my amazing pin unboxing at the beach. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Our Snazzy Life. Bye, guys.
Deuces.